In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim and verify your website on Google Merchant Center, a process that should take around 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make sure you have your website linked to your Google Merchant account for a seamless experience. To get started, open your web browser and go to business.google.com in Merchant Center. Once you're there, look at the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Merchant Center. This will direct you to a login page if you're not already signed in, otherwise you'll be taken directly to your Merchant Center dashboard. Assuming you're redirected to the login page, simply enter your Google account credentials to gain access. Now that you're in your Merchant Center, take a glance to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Business Info section. This area is where all of your business details are managed, so it's essential to familiarize yourself with it. Within the Business Info section, go to the Details tab where you'll locate the Your Online Store option, click on Add Online Store, and a text box will appear inviting you to type the URL of your website. Make sure to double check the URL to avoid any typos, which could lead to verification issues later on. After entering the URL, don't forget to click Save. Following this, you'll be prompted to verify your website. Now, this might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. There are multiple verification options available. If you prefer, you can opt to receive a verification code via your business email by clicking Get the Code. Alternatively, you can select Use e-commerce platform and specify which platform you're using, or add an HTML tag or file if you're comfortable with editing your website's code. There's even the option to use Google Tag Manager if that's something you're familiar with. Once you have decided on the verification method that best suits you and followed the necessary steps, ensure that you've input all the correct details. Hit the Verify Your Online Store button. Now, depending on the verification method you chose, Google might ask for additional information. Occasionally, they may require more details before everything is finalized. Finally, it's important to note that verification approval might not be instantaneous. Google needs to review and confirm the information you've provided, which could take a little time, so have some patience and check back later for an update on your verification status. And that's it, you've now claimed and verified your website on Google Merchant Center. If you have followed these steps carefully, your website should soon be a verified part of your Google Merchant account, allowing you to take advantage of all the benefits it offers in boosting your online presence. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your e-commerce endeavors.